I am Dr. Appaji. I am the Executive Director of Pharmaceutical Export Promotion Council, set up by Government of India. And the council's headquarters is based in Hyderabad. And as a national headquarters, as CEO of the organization, I am working from Pharmexcel from Hyderabad. And our main job is to see that the exports of pharmaceuticals from India are grown. And we cover several items under pharmaceutical head, whether they are bulk drugs or formulations, or biotechnology products, herbal products, traditional medicines, medical devices, surgicals, clinical research, all these subjects they fall with us. And thereby we happen to be the partners of BioAsia. BioAsia is organized by Government of Andhra Pradesh for development of biopharma sector in Hyderabad and in Andhra Pradesh. And this is the 9th edition of BioAsia taking place in 2012. And government has asked Pharmexcel to be partner of this event, and for the second time we are partnering this event with FABA for organizing BioAsia. Our role is to see that biopharma in general develops in the country and in Andhra Pradesh in particular, and the segment of exports of biopharma products should go up. We have been now doing exports in biopharma to an extent of about 2,000 crores so far. And our requirement is that at least we should go to 10,000 crore at the earliest. We are proud and we are happy to see that in particular vaccines, Andhra Pradesh and India are leading. And out of 30 pre-qualified biopharma companies in the world by WHO for supply of these medicines, vaccines into international markets, there are 8 Indian biotech companies out of the 30. Out of these 8 biotech pharma companies, 2 companies and 3 companies happen to be from Hyderabad. A significant contribution is given to international vaccine supply by Hyderabad alone. And we are trying to see that sufficient investment comes to Andhra Pradesh in biopharma sector, and also good international business people will participate in the business buyer-seller meet, which is being organized with the support of Government of India by Pharmexcel as part of BioAsia. And this would generate huge market for exports and will support in Andhra Pradesh based biotech companies in particular. Thank you.